This video will provide you information on how to prepare for court if you are a self-represented litigant and need to appear remotely for your hearing. A self-represented litigant is someone who does not have an attorney. Appearing remotely means you'll use video conferencing tools, think Skype, Zoom, BlueJeans, etc., to join your court hearing rather than come to your local courthouse. If you do not have the ability to join via video, you may be able to join by telephone. Your court will provide specific instructions on how to join your hearing via video or telephone. If you're appearing via video conference, please make sure to dress professionally and appropriately during the remote hearing. You are still in a court proceeding. Please dress as if you are going to a job interview. Before the hearing for your case, make sure to review your court documents. Be familiar with what is being requested and what responses have been made by the other party. Create an outline showing each request and the reasoning. Do the same thing with the responses. This will help you remember what needs to be discussed when you are in front of the judge. If you're nervous, you can look at the paper during your hearing. Make sure you have all your court paperwork near you during your hearing. This is so that there is little to no distraction during your hearing if you needed to find your paperwork. Also, keep on hand some paper and a pen to take notes. Write down your next hearing date if you are given one. For your hearing, find a quiet place and keep the door closed if possible. Please do not engage in other activities during your hearing. Do not move around during your hearing. Do not call in from within a moving car. Do not join in from a public location. Please mute yourself when you are not talking so you do not disrupt court proceedings with any background noise. You are not allowed to record the hearing. During your hearing, ensure that other household members, friends, or family are not visible on your screen or are making any comments behind you during the hearing. Only participants officially recognized by the court as a party to the case may appear or speak on the feed. It is especially important to not have minors within hearing distance of the court proceedings. They should not listen in or participate unless directly requested by the court. If you will be delayed or unable to attend the hearing due to an emergency, contact the clerk for the court department where your hearing will take place on or before your hearing date. If your case requires witness testimony or the submission of evidence, request the procedures from your court in advance of your hearing date. Failure to follow the rules and procedures set forth by your court regarding video conferencing may be grounds for your ejection from the hearing or could lead to a continuance. Be on time for your court appearance. When you join the video conference platform, make sure that your first and last name is displayed. When it is your turn to talk, make sure to speak clearly and loudly enough that the judge can hear you. Listen carefully to what is being discussed in your case. Do not interrupt the other party or the judge. The judge should always be addressed as Your Honor. At the end of the hearing, the judge will make an order or orders in your case. Be sure you understand each order that the judge makes. If you do not understand an order, you may politely ask for an explanation or clarification. If you are still unsure what the judge ordered, assistance is available through your local self-help center for parties that are self-represented. Please check your local self-help center website for more information. Here are some helpful tips to consider when appearing via video for your court hearing. It may be best to sit close to your Wi-Fi router or connect via Ethernet cable. If you are appearing via video, ensure that whatever device you use has a working camera, power source, and a strong internet connection. Test your connection, audio, and video before your court hearing to ensure everything works properly. It helps if no one in your home is streaming video or audio during the hearing, as it has the potential to weaken your overall connection. You do not want to get disconnected during your hearing. Find out your court's policy beforehand about what to do if you run into difficulty connecting to the hearing. During the court proceeding, if you run into any technical difficulties, the court staff and judge cannot provide technical support. Thank you for watching this video. Please review this video as much as necessary so that you feel comfortable coming to court remotely.